Using Adobe Photoshop version 26.3, the paid version, I will first attempt to remove unwanted objects and elements from the image using the built-in AI functionality. To do this, I use the lasso tool by pressing L. Circle the part of the image I want to alter or remove, then right-click and select Generative Fill. This feature is powered by Adobe's AI, which operates on a token-based system, meaning each use costs money. I bring this up to highlight the challenges I faced, even with seemingly simple commands like remove object, no item, or no fill. Despite multiple attempts, as you can see for yourself, the results were inconsistent and often frustrating. Surprisingly, the correct command to use was simply remove, wrapped in quotation marks. Once I figured that out, I could easily remove unwanted parts and text. After successfully removing the unwanted parts of the image using Adobe AI, I now want to demonstrate the opposite, adding or creating elements within the photo. To do this, I use the lasso tool by pressing L, circle the part of the image I want to alter, just like before, then right-click and select Generative Fill. Next, I type in what I want in the prompt box and click Generate. Here, we encounter similar challenges as before. While the Create function is powerful, it can also be unreliable and inconsistent at times. Just see for yourself. As we observe the so-called power of AI, we quickly begin to see some cracks in the foundation. AI is a powerful tool, but it also requires a skilled operator who knows how to harness its full potential. And this is where you come into the picture. If you're following along on your own, here's a quick tip. After generating, you'll see 3 options appear to the right. From these, you can select one, and if needed, you can generate again to refine the result in a similar style to the chosen option. I eventually ended up with something useful, but I didn't record the process of creating the final product. And since it's difficult to recreate, you'll have to settle for something akin to the final result. In the next session, we'll make the products transparent and create a new background for them.